What's up guys, this is that Subi dude here with my 2017 Subaru WRX Stage 1 Plus. Pop the hood for you. Got my MA Performance intake, and then I just installed the Grim Speed electronic boost controller. And then when I was installing that, I've done the TGV and EGR delete. Got it tuned through aimbot tuning. He absolutely killed the tune. This car runs amazing. And I got these 18 by 9.5 black option lab wheels. And come around to the back on the trim. And the cob license plate. And then I got PLM muffler deletes. I believe I'm about to do a mid pipe. Probably gonna go with PLM again, and that way it'll actually hook right up to it. But I'm looking to go stage 2 very soon. Probably gonna run MA Performance's J-pipe. Catted, of course. I would do catless, but I've heard way too many bad things about catless. But this is my car. Got the cob access port. You already know. This is Subaru.
The police. Oh God, Jared, don't do anything stupid.